Hello everyone, I'm Furkan and together with my partner Shubham are going to host a quiz on object-oriented programming, analysis and design. So without further ado, let's get going with the questions. So my first question will be, what's constructor? Who will giving the answer for this? Hmm. Subal, can you give the answer? Well done. Wonderful answer. So the next question will will be asked by my partner Shubham.
So here I'm going to shoot the next question, which is what is a compiler? Good. Uh, you Mrityunjay, you hands first.
Compi- Compiler is a special type of software that translates human readable source code to computer readable machine code, that is binary. It completes the task in certain stages. First of all, it converts source code. So first of all, it takes header files and it changes to that links to that main program. Then it's translate the C++ code to assembly language. After that, it's change that to machine code, that is binary, and after that it makes exe file executable. That is all. Thank you.
Absolutely, that was a very clear and detailed answer. Now I'm going to give the mic to the my friend so that he can ask the third question.
So who is going to tell me what's a function? Ankush, can you give me the answer? Wait a second. You can use the mic.
Function is a block of code that perform a specific task. It makes more efficient our program, readable and modular. Thank you.
What a good answer. Thank you. So, Shivam, can you ask the next question, please?
Yes. Here I'm going to ask, who can tell me what is inheritance in C++? I'm seeing so many hands, but it's the game of fastest finger first. So I'm calling Angat Pandey.
Thank you. Inheritance is the features of OOPS in which the child class inherit the properties of base class. There are 5 types of inheritance: single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, and multipath inheritance. Thank you.
Absolutely. This was the great question that I'm to expect from him. Now,
Let's go for the next question. It's gonna be easy one. What are data types? Neha, can you give the answer?
Data type is a way to tell the computer what kind of data a variable can store.
So, can you ask the next question? Shivam?
here. Now I'm going to ask a bit related question from the data type. What is public protected and private data? Can anyone explain? I'm seeing a lot of hands, but Pragya raised the first.
So the difference between public protected and private are protected can be accessed only inside the class. In public, we can access from anywhere, or in private, only our friends or someone access who will be given the access. Thank you.
Absolutely. Very wonderful question.
I'm trouble understanding what's the difference between inheritance and compiler. Who can explain me this? Natik?
So compiler translate program into machine code at once. The best example of compiler is C++, and Java. And the second one is interpreter. Interpreter converts the execute code line by line by the example of Python and Perl.
Good answer. Thank you. So they're having quite a good session so far, but we gotta wrap the things up. So thank you everyone for making this session so wonderful.